Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about AMC Entertainment, ticker symbol AMC, and we're going to break down this chart for you guys, taking a look at key patterns, key indicators, and key levels so we know what to expect in this coming week. Without any further ado, let's hop right into the video. Okay, so before we get started real quick, just want to encourage everybody to leave a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out tremendously. And if we do get to 100 subs by the end of this weekend, I will be doing a full day stream on Monday where I will answer any questions you guys have. I will break down any charts that you're playing, and I'm going to show you guys my process for day trading as we find the next 20 to 30 to 50% runner. So if that sounds good to you, subscribe to the channel and let's get right into the analysis. Okay, so here we have the weekly chart for AMC on the 5-minute, and just recapping last week's price action. We were in an uptrend, really pushing towards breakout levels here on Monday and Tuesday. Unfortunately, that did not come. Instead, we broke to the downside, and we've just been having low volume consolidation in this $12 to $13 channel. However, that being said, if you do zoom out on the chart, look a little bit longer term, that actually is a very, very good place to be consolidating. If you are long on this stock, think about the general uptrend that we are establishing here. Okay, we have higher highs here compared to the higher highs we had at the end of April, and we also have lower lows potentially being established here compared to what we had in early May. That's a very, very bullish sign. So keep that in mind. If we can finish our consolidation off in this channel and then move back up, things look very good long term for AMC. The indicators will just go to confirm that. Okay, the only bearish indicator right now is the VWAP. It's this yellow line right here, the volume weighted average price. And then AMC did close below that on Friday. So that does mean the bears are in control heading into tomorrow's trading session. But that being said, taking a look at the moving averages, okay, we have this 21-day EMA currently sitting at 1135 and the 50-day moving average currently sitting at 1081. And you can see AMC is consolidating well above that. Okay, that is extremely bullish. That shows that we are in bullish territory in the short term, in the intermediate term, and in the long term. So that looks really good. And the final indicator I want to take a look at, going to the dailies, we're going to take a look at the RSI, and you can see that this consolidation is actually a good thing for AMC from a technical perspective because we were getting a little bit overextended as we were pushing up. So having this low volume consolidation, getting us back into neutral territory, allows us to reset before the next push upward. So that's actually very, very good. Now, taking a look at your key levels, starting on the support side, we're going to have big support right here at $12 and 11.80, kind of this entire range. That's a range we ideally want to stay above. I told you guys longer term, in order to maintain this uptrend, we want to set higher lows. And so if we are able to kind of hold these supports before starting a next move up, well, then we're sitting very, very pretty. So these are going to be big, big support levels. It's going to require a lot of selling in order to break past these. But if that does happen, it can always happen. So be prepared. Well, then we have support at 1120 with this 21-day EMA also being a little bit of a support line. And then after that, we have the 1085 range. Okay, so those are going to be the main support levels to watch out for. It's also good to keep in mind these support levels because this is exactly where you want to either buy the position if you want to go long on it or add to your position. By buying at support levels, you minimize your risk and maximize your upside. So always, always good to keep those in mind. Now, taking a look at the bullish side of things, here's the resistance levels for next week. We have one resistance level here at 1287. After that, we can expect to see a little bit of a gap up to 13.5, then 13.8, then $14. And then, we have a little bit at 14.20, but then the main resistance would be at 14.50. If we can get a clean break above with some volume at 14.50, then this thing really has room to fly. Okay, we could expect a gap up to the $16 range and then the $20 range. So really look at these key levels in the bullish side. Make sure that you are taking a little profit. But that being said, realize that if these resistance levels do get broken through, then this thing really has potential to start moving. Taking a look at the volume, you can see pretty solid, just what I explained, we have seen low volume consolidation over the past few days. But if we can get back to these volume numbers, well, then you can really expect to see AMC start pushing up and start getting those breakouts that we're talking about. Taking a look at the short float, that's a big thing for AMC, the whole short squeeze idea. Well, it's currently sitting at 21%. So a short squeeze is very much doable at those numbers. So you guys let me know what you think is going to happen next week. Are we going to get that breakout, or are we going to see some more consolidation ahead? If you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to answer them. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to the channel. And aside from that, have a great rest of your weekend.